DaTo offers the safest, most reliable method of lifting your vehicle. DaTo Mobile Column lifts MCLD418 are technically advanced electro-hydraulic lifts, suitable for assembling and repairing heavy-duty vehicles. Our mobile column lifts can handle up to 8 ton, dramatically reducing maintenance time, while simultaneously adding safety for those working on a vehicle. DaTo Mobile Column light mostly used for full axle repair and replacement, suspension repair or replacement, wheel replacement or stub axle repair, engine repair or replacement, waste oil removal. DaTo MCLD418 other features are dual mechanical and hydraulic safety locking systems. Smart electronics feature displays lift height and self-diagnostics and self-calibration functions. Contact us for more detail on www.datotech.de. Thanks for watching.